Hey, what's up guys? This is Mac and Mission. Today I will show you how to create 3D gallery in After Effects by using Element 3D like this. Let's start. First of all, take new composition and rename it with gallery and make it 1920 by 1080 HDTV 1080 24. Okay, and hit OK. Now Control Y for take solid and rename it with element and make it comp size. Hit OK and apply element by control space by using FX console. If you don't have FX console, then you can download it with Video Copilot site. And for now, apply element. Okay, now go for scene setup, and this is our element 3D. Now I have to import some objects. I have given a link below in description. You can download that folder of Mac asset from the link, and you can use for to create 3D gallery. Okay, now go for file, import 3D object, and you will have this folder in link given below. First of all, take Mac scene and Mac scene. Okay, and hit open and hit OK. It's fine. You have this model, and these textures are also given in that folder. For now, open it and go for concrete and texture also in that folder. This, apply it, open and OK, and side concrete, apply texture, search by pressing S for side concrete, hit OK and OK. So we have this texture and fire pipes. These are fire pipes, and select it, and or you can just change its color. Okay, it's red mostly, so we'll make it red. And for now, these pipes, air pipes, you can go for presets and physical, and here you have chrome. Select it and apply chrome on this folder. You can adjust it by like glossiness, it's fine. And you have to texture this, I think so, these pillars. Select it. Good. It's more fine for now. Okay, and go for hair loss texture. Okay, for now it's fine. And one thing more about drawing like this thing. Okay, this thing, by pressing Control and click on this thing and make it red too. Go for hair. It's fine. Okay, so and you have to adjust one more thing. Go again to file, import 3D object, and select this ground, open it. Okay, and adjust that ground is given. It's fine. Again, go for import 3D object, and this time I have to select this I think so, bigger font. Hit OK, OK. See, it's fine. And select this ground color, go for ground, load texture, and press G for ground. So the texture, you can use this texture, you can use this texture, or you can use even wooden wall. So I'm using for now this wooden thing. Okay, and hit OK. It's fine for now. And load normal 2. Okay, it's necessary for making it more accurate. Or you can select this into, oh sorry, more fine, hit OK. So, and now again go for file, import 3D object, and this time I'm taking this art objects, open, hit OK. So adjust this location, it's fine. Okay, so now I have to texture these things. I think this should be, I think so, materials and pack this. Oh wow, it's more good materials. And yes, you have to texture this thing too, like this thing, the plant, and yes, it's fine. Or you can go for presets and go for if you don't have any domain rack, you can download it. Try to for Google, you will find there. Okay, you can use this thing, or you can change its color by going there. It's like this thing, it's more looking good. Okay, and for this thing I think it remain white, and it's fine for now. Now again go for file, import 3D object, and yes, I'm looking for this, hit OK, and adjust it, leather, and select material, texture is already given in link, and select this, I think brown better. Okay, and normal level should also be import, and it will more fine. I think Chrome will be better thing, just more. It's fine for now. Okay, or you can change anything here. Okay, and now for again go for import 3D object, and this time I will choose Mac Photo Art, hit OK, hit OK. So you have this thing, and now go for import 3D object, and this time I'll choose the ceiling, ceiling, and this is our ceiling. Adjust it, fine, and open it, select, and over select the normal ceiling. You have this texture actually, and hit OK, and this thing, ceiling light, and go for preset, go for physical, make it light. Okay, and air color white, it's I think so white would be better actually. Fine. Here one thing more I have to do. Go for environment and select like environment, open, and now I have to adjust my placeholders. Okay, so how to adjust the placeholders, and just import file 3D object. Here is our placeholders, open it, and okay, now adjust them on walls. It's fine for now. Okay, and now close them all. Our scene is almost ready. 1:22, and hit okay. So you have this scene, make it full, and go for new camera and make it 20mm. It's fine. Press C for camera tools. So you have this scene. And go for center line. So you have to switch on the safe margin, so you have this center point. Okay, go for camera 2, okay, you have to adjust your camera things like on this hole. I think so, it's better view. Yes. So here you have to adjust some lighting, and first of all take some camera movements that would be helpful for you, like the first, our camera is adjust this picture, focus this picture, or you can just up this picture, go for element, because I didn't give an in the group. You can make it in group 2, so it will adjust it more, and select this, and here hit okay. So you have this view of your picture. You can texture this picture anything, like I'm texturing it with my logo. Okay, hide it and go for element, go for custom layers, go for custom texture maps. Oh sorry, custom texture maps, yes, and select map for PNG. Again, go for element, go for scene setup, and select this material, go for here custom layer 1, hit okay. So you have this logo, the amazing logo. Because I have made this logo, that's why I'm saying the amazing logo. Maybe you don't find this thing amazing, and okay, you have to adjust it a little bit more so it will look more good, so you can focus it. Okay, and now go for
camera and make it like open this thing, open transform, and adjust it, and go for like 4 seconds, and here till here. Okay, so have this wonderful view. So now close this camera and Control Alt Shift C for making new camera 2, and open your timeline, like closing this, open your timeline till here. By pressing page down, you will make keyframes. Okay, now Yes. Now one thing more here, like this. I want this scene, so adjust it here and open it, open transforms, select here. And one thing more here, you can do it like again select it and duplicate with cam 3 and for now hide it. Okay, so now again make small your time for I think so 3 seconds and just like select this scene. Like this scene. Okay, so close this camera till here like this and select it till here. Open your timeline until here, till your keyframes, remember. And again open this camera thing and make more movements here, like so go for this thing, go for this thing. Yes, here and open transform and select these keyframes and delete them, select these keyframes, delete them, again select it and smaller your timeline, go for again almost 3 seconds and zoom in. Okay, and close it till your keyframes. Again control alt shift and C for new camera, so cam 4, close it, make your timeline bigger by pressing plus. Okay, and open this thing, make keyframes and adjust your camera. This thing and use this view. Okay, and actually okay, so keyframes are done. Go for 4 seconds and turn your like this.
So you can make more movements here which you want. So for now it's done. Close your camera and you can make more movements. For now I'm again go for this scene. Okay, so this is our basic scene, and now I have to texture these placeholders too. So here one thing that mentionable, that we have almost 46 or 47 placeholders here, and we have just when we select this element layer, we have only 10 layers for to texture maps, and we have to texture the 47 layers. So what's the way to texture all these placeholders by different pics? It's a very simple. Just go for this element layer, okay, and apply a new element, okay, select it, so you have this element layer, and you have seen this the screen is black, so you have to just open I think so you have to just select it and make it unified. When you unified this thing, you will have this I think I have to say that you have your scene back and you have more layers to text. You have to open it and open this element layer 2, select right click and rename it with images 1 2 10. Okay, and hit OK. And again, for now it's fine. I just open this thing, scene setup, sorry, apologies. And here you have to import your placeholders. Like go for 3D object and these are placeholders, open and hit OK, it's fine. And you have to adjust this placeholders position actually, so hit OK. And you can see your placeholders are not in good things like this, and open the group and group replicator, so you can adjust its positions. By adjusting position, you have to adjust like this, and you have to not sorry, I don't have to change this position, I just have to change the Z position actually. So you have this thing, so it's almost done. So now you have to texture, so it's very simple. Import 10 images here, like I'm importing the 10 images. You can import any texture, like I'm importing these 16 images here, just hide them all. Okay, and make them show layer and hide them all for easily view this timeline. So now you have to open this thing, your images just have 1 to 10. Just go here and open this custom layers, custom layers and custom texture maps, and you have to just sorry, it's not mask actually, custom texture maps. Here you have to select this one number pics, whatever it is. Okay, and 2 with 2, 3 with 3, 4 with 4, 5 with 5, 6 with 6, 7 with 7, 8 with 8, so 9 with 9, and 10 with 10. So it's actually 1 to 10. Now go for element layer and sorry, go for this scene setup. It's 1 to 10. Okay, and you are in this scene setup, and you have to just open it and your placeholders, the image select like 3. So you have to go and load custom layer 3, so you will remember more easily. Okay, so custom layer 4 and select this, and custom layer 5. So other than the placeholders, you have to hide because we can't texture here them. So like it's 11 should be hide, 12 should be hide, 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 and hide. Okay, so we have textured on this only left red wall. It's okay. So this our textures. You can see the textures here. You can see in next camera, it will better view. So you have these textures. Okay, so now I have to adjust more, like I want to now 10 to 20. like I will texture on this side. So again select element layer and again apply the element. Okay, sorry, effect, video copilot and element. So you have this element layer number 3. Rename it with images 20, oh sorry, 10 to 20. Click fine. Now you can see there that these are now hide your images. The textures images are now hide. Sorry, make it 100%. For now you have to again go for here and make it infilled. Okay, so you have your textures back on this line. So now you have to again go for this scene setup and again import your placeholders 3D object, and this is our placeholders obj. Okay, open it and open it. You have this thing. So after that, now you go okay, it's a group 1, hit okay. So you have these images here. Now go for 10 to 20, go for group 1, go for particle replicator, go for it. I think so, position is done. So now go for 10 to 20 scene setup and how to 9 to 10. So 11 should be custom layer 1, 12 should be custom layer 2, so you have these textures here, the more textures. So check this camera. Oh, one thing I forgot, I didn't mention here in custom layers. Open the custom maps and make it with 11, make it with 12, make it with 13, make it with 14, make it with 15, make it with 16, and make it with, again select any picture, it doesn't matter, or you can import more pictures. Okay. Oh, one thing more here, go for this the basic this scene setup here, and here you have to hide this placeholders. Okay, hit okay. Okay, I'm again going this thing and again go for here and select element layer, again apply the element and open it, open this thing. Now rename it with 10 to 20 and now 21 to 30, and actually it should be 11 to 30. So 21 to 30 here. Now select this and go for scene setup and file, import 3D object and select this, open it, hit OK, and you can see here these things and make it again unifield. So now you have to adjust this position, just go for close this thing actually and close this thing too, close not this thing. Okay, so open this group one, I think so. Try it, copy that group and group one, and paste that group so it's adjusted. Okay, now go for again scene setup. So open this thing. Now it's our 21. Hide them.
Hit OK. So now go for here. You can import more pics. So, but for now I'm not importing more pics. I'm just because to teach you. So I'm just again select these pictures with these things. Okay, you can import more pictures, whether or whatever you want. So you can see the textures have done here, and you can import more pictures to texture with different things, or
As it these things you can just now close this thing to 1 to 10, 21 to 30. Open it 21 to 30. Okay, so now again go here, apply element, again a new element, and rename it with 31 to 40. Okay, yo, it's not yo, it's 2, sorry. I think so it's done. So you have your pictures, or you can make here like you can adjust lighting. So how you have to adjust lighting, it's very simple. Just because it's already very loaded layer, so I have to just select these layers. Okay, camera see, make new comp and paste it here, and select this element, close it, close it, close it, close it, close it, close it. Okay, and here you have to delete because it's loaded very much. Oh, apologies. So open it and make it full render. You have to see back actually. So now you have to adjust lighting. It's very simple. Just go for new, make the parallel light. Oh, sorry, this is light. Now I have to select the parallel and make it white. Okay, start it again for now. So you have to adjust this lighting. Click here, select it on this side. Make it, it's fine. Okay, select it, duplicate it, and select here and adjust it here. On this side you have light. Okay, again select it, duplicate it, click here, and just light here. So you have this wonderful scene. Okay, and now you have to import new light. Oh, sorry, apologies. New light, and make it spotlight. Make it one. Smiling. You have this spotlight. Again, go for duplicate it, spotlight, select it, you have this wonderful view. Again, go for position, adjust it. Wonderful, and you can make more lighting here. So it's done for now. Now select all these lights. Okay, Control C, go for this comp, and go for here, Control B. So you have this wonderful scene. So the movements have already done. Just render it. That's why I have made camera movements before. You have to adjust all your camera movements before lighting and before texturing. Stay tuned, guys. This is Mac Animation.